Hello kids, today we will learn birds name in English and Hindi. Let's start. This is a hornbill. Hornbill means Dhanesh. This is a cuckoo. Cuckoo means Koyal. This is a cock. Cock means Murga. This is a penguin. Penguin means Narhans. This is a robin. Robin means robin. This is a swan. Swan means Hans. This is a ostrich. Ostrich means Suturmur. This is a crow. Crow means kawa. This is a parrot. Parrot means tota. This is a sparrow. Sparrow means goraya. This is a kingfisher. Kingfisher means ramchiraya. This is a hen. Hen means murgi. This is a owl. Owl means ullu. This is a pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. This is a woodpecker. Woodpecker means katfodwa. This is a crane. Crane means saras. This is a bat. Bat means chamgadad. This is a kite. Kite means cheel. This is a vulture. Vulture means ged. This is a peacock. Peacock means more. This is a peahen. Peahen means morning. This is a dove. Dove means fakhta. This is a flamingo. Flamingo means rajhans. This is a hawk cuckoo. Hawk cuckoo means papiha. This is a blue jay. Blue jay means Nilkant. This is a quail. Quail means Bater. This is a hoopoe bird. Hoopoe bird means Hudhud. This is a heron. Heron means Bagula. This is a osprey. Osprey means Machli Maar. This is a goose. Goose means Kalhans. Thanks for watching.